Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore quick and easy breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, perfect for busy schedules. Meal planning doesn't mean spending hours in the kitchen. With a few go-to recipes and smart prep, you can make healthy meals in minutes. Let's start with quick breakfasts. Breakfast sets the tone for your day, so aim for something that balances protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Option 1. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats, milk or yogurt, chia seeds and fruit in a jar, and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, it's ready to grab and go. Option 2. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs with chopped vegetables and cheese, pour into muffin tins, and bake for 20 minutes. Store in the fridge for up to 4 days. They reheat perfectly. Option 3. Smoothie packs. Pre-portion fruit, greens, and protein powder into freezer bags. In the morning, just blend with liquid and you've got a nutritious meal in under 2 minutes. For even quicker mornings, prep breakfast burritos. Eggs, beans, cheese, and salsa wrapped in a tortilla, then freeze and microwave when needed. Now, let's talk about lunch. The key is to keep it simple, but satisfying. Option 1. Mason jar salads. Layer your ingredients starting with dressing at the bottom, followed by sturdy vegetables, proteins, and greens on top. Shake when ready to eat. They stay fresh for up to 5 days. Option 2. Grain bowls. Use pre-cooked rice, quinoa, or couscous as your base, then add protein like chicken, tofu, or beans, plus roasted veggies and a simple dressing. Option 3. Wraps and sandwiches. Whole grain wraps filled with hummus, turkey, or tuna and veggies make an easy, portable lunch. You can also prep pasta salads with light vinaigrettes for variety. For snacks, pack items like Greek yogurt, mixed nuts, or cut up fruit to stay fueled throughout the day. Now let's move to quick dinners, the time of day when convenience really matters. Option 1. Sheet pan dinners. Place chicken, fish, or tofu with vegetables on a single pan, drizzle with olive oil, season, and roast for 20 to 25 minutes. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. Option 2. One-pot meals. Think soups, stir-fries, or chili. Everything cooks in one pot for easy prep and cleanup. Use frozen vegetables to cut prep time in half. Option 3. Build your own bowls. Combine pre-cooked ingredients from your meal prep, like rice, beans, and roasted veggies, then top with your favorite sauce or dressing. It's fast, flexible, and never boring. Step 4. Stock your pantry for speed. Keep staples like canned beans, pasta, whole grains, frozen vegetables, and pre-cooked proteins on hand. These let you throw together balanced meals in minutes. Step 5. Use time-saving appliances. Air fryers, slow cookers, and Instant Pots make cooking hands-free and efficient. For example, toss in chicken and spices in the morning, and by dinner, your meal is ready. Step 6. Prep ingredients once, use twice. Chop veggies, cook grains, or marinate proteins on Sunday, then mix and match them all week. It's the ultimate time saver. Step 7. Keep flavor boosters handy. Sauces, dressings, and spices transform simple meals fast. Think tahini sauce, salsa, pesto, or Greek yogurt dressings. Step 8. Plan for leftovers. Cook a little extra at dinner to pack for tomorrow's lunch. It saves both time and effort. Here's your quick recap. Choose quick breakfasts like oats or smoothies, simple lunches like salads or wraps, and easy dinners like sheet pan or one-pot meals. Use prepped ingredients and pantry staples to make healthy eating effortless. In the next lesson, we'll explore time-saving meal prep hacks to make your kitchen workflow even smoother. Let's make every meal quick, balanced, and delicious.